Touratech USA is excited to announce these new products for the Yamaha T7. Whether you're interested in long distance travel or just daily escapes, we have parts to make your ride better. Touratech is producing both Zega Pro and Zega Evo Pannier systems for the T7. These Pannier systems feature stainless steel racks. The boxes are available in anodized finishes, both silver or black. A 31-38 liter system will be 40 inches wide, and a 38-45 liter system will be 43 inches wide on the bike. Upper crash bars for the T7 will be made out of 25mm stainless steel tubing. They're available in silver or black finishes. They do a great job of protecting the radiator and the upper fairing of the bike, and they can be mounted with or without the Touratech lower bars installed. Lower crash bars for the T7 will be made out of 25mm stainless steel tubing. They're available in silver or black finishes. They protect the engine case, the water pump, and the shift linkage, which are all vulnerable on this bike. They'll be able to fit with or without the Touratech upper bars, as well as the Touratech Expedition skid plate. The Expedition skid plate for the T7 is built out of 4mm thick aluminum. It's available in bare aluminum finish or black anodized. The mounting bolts on the underside of the skid plate are all protected by fiber reinforced nylon sliders. There's a stainless steel support structure that goes in between the skid plate and the engine itself for added protection, and the skid plate covers the entire exhaust header system as well as the catalytic converter. Touratech Suspension Extreme Cartridge Conversion Kit is available for the Yamaha T7. This is a complete replacement of the stock fork internals. They're available in standard height or 1.5-inch lowered versions. This is a drop-in system with no physical modifications done to the fork itself. And these are a 3-way adjustable fork cartridge. You have compression in one leg, rebound in another, as well as spring preload in both legs. Touratech rear shocks are available in either a 3-way adjustable Extreme version or a 1-way adjustable Explore HP version. Both of these shocks feature a PDS system to drastically ramp up high-speed compression damping just before shock bottom out. These are a huge upgrade over stock in both strength and performance. They're available in a standard height as well as a 1.5-inch lowered version. Touratech handguards come in either white or black. They can be had with optional spoilers installed, and they fit great on the motorcycle with the stock levers with no additional adjustments needed. The Touratech Headlight Guard is made out of anodized aluminum mesh that's laser cut into a perfect shape to fit over the stock headlight. It's then anodized black and attached to the motorcycle with a quick release mounting system that's easily removed for cleaning on the road. Many of these products for the T7 are ready to ship today. Please visit the Touratech-USA website for more info and access to our complete line of products for your motorcycle. You can also follow our social media to be updated as we release new products.